Hello and welcome to Auto Guide Math Class. I am Bashir Shoaib, your mathematics guide. In this video class, we solve IGCSE and WAEC past question step by step, making every concept simple and clear. Let's get started. The fourth lesson here, as displayed above, is an IGCSE past question, May-June 2025. The course code, the exam code is 0606, paper 1. The question is a non-calculator question where you were not required to use a calculator, and you must answer all the question paper. It's 2 hours question. When you are given a question like this, you read through all the instructions and make sure you follow the instructions strictly. Then there are some formula provided at the second page of the question to go through, maybe for easy remembrance of some of the formula that you might have forgotten. So that's the beauty of IGCSE. You can go through all those formula is for you. Then the first question on the list here that we start with in this video is on a vector. It's on a vector. I will try as much as possible to simplify it for better understanding. Alright, so we're given that PQ is a column vector of -3, 7, and 4 PR is also a column vector of -2, 8. And we're to find RQ. So like I said, the first thing you can do is sketch the shape so that you can sketch it this way. Say this. I have this as so we have PQ here, and it's a vector in that direction. I have PR. PR is 4 times that, so we have PR in this direction. So this is R, and we're to find this RQ. RQ, we follow this direction. So to solve it, here is a scalar multiplication of PR by 4. I can easily find my PR here to be equals to -2 divided by 4. Then here 8 divided by 4. Then, so that PR will be equals to -1/2 and 2. Right. Then, if I consider the loop, a closed loop here, this is a closed loop, on this is a closed loop. We have that PR, then from plus RQ is equals to, then I will close it with PQ. All right, that's PQ. It's a closed shape. So this is following this direction, then this direction, and this will close it. Then by substitution, since we are looking for RQ, I can make RQ into the formula. RQ will be equals to PQ minus, remember, PQ minus PR. Alright, by substitution, I have that PQ is given as -3, a column of that -3 minus, since I've able to find my PR here, so I can put the PR as -1/2, 2. So by subtraction, this will be -3. Minus times minus here will be +½ So this is 7 minus 2. Then I'll close it. Then the final answer will be on this. All right, will be minus 3 plus this, which is going to give me minus 3 plus half, will give me minus 2.5. 7 minus this will give me 5. So this is the answer to the question, which is the answer is equivalent vector of minus 2.5, then 5. So the second question, which is 1b, is still on the same vector. All right, let's open it like this. In this vector, they say the vector A, B, and C are such that A is given, then B is given, and C is given, where alpha and beta are scalars. Given that C is equal to 3A minus 2B, find the value of alpha and beta. This is the equation that combine the two together. So I will write it out. C is equal to 3A minus 2B. So by substitution into this, C is given here to be 2 alpha. Let me use them. Okay. 2 alpha plus 5 beta, everything along the I-axis of the vector, then 20j axis is equals to 3 into bracket of A alpha I plus 6j, then close the vector, minus 2 into B 4I plus bj. You close it. Then with this, I have 2 alpha plus 5 beta in parentheses, then I plus 20j is equals to, then I will open the bracket here. So this one give me 3 alpha I, then plus 3 times this, I have 18j, then minus 2 times this, that's minus 8i, then minus 2 times this beta, that's minus 2 alpha 2 beta j. This is I axis, I column. All right, remember this is 2. Okay, this will give me 2 alpha plus 5 beta I plus 20j is equals to, I will collect light time here along the I-axis, put the I-axis together and put the J-axis together. So this is 3 alpha minus 8 all along I columns, plus then the J column, I'll put it together. I have 18, then minus 2 beta along J. Then by comparison, so this is a very unique equation that say by comparison, let's say component wisely means you compare the I columns with the I column here, which is I axis with the I axis, then J axis with the J here. Then by doing so, you have 2 alpha plus 5 beta will be equals to all along I, which is I here, will be equals to 3 alpha minus 8, then I together here. This is the I axis. This one is for I axis. That's along the I's component with the I component here. Then by comparison, we can rewrite that since I is equals to I here, since they are equal, I can write that 2 alpha minus 3 alpha here by collecting like 10 plus 5 beta here will be equals to minus 8. So if I rewrite it properly, this will give me minus alpha plus 5 beta will be equals to minus 8. This is equation 1. Equation 2 is by comparing this, the J-axis. So the J-axis here is 20. J is equals to here, the J here is 18 minus 2 beta, then this J. Remember, this is J-axis. All right, then with this, I can easily find my j. So I have 20 is equals to 18 minus 2 beta. Therefore, I can write that 2 beta is equals to 2 beta, take the beta here, that is equals to what? 18 minus 20. Alright, then with this, if I make B the subject of formula, that's 2b, beta will be equals to minus 2. Therefore, beta is equals to minus 2 divided by 2, which is equals to minus 1. This beta is minus 1. Then to get alpha, I will have to substitute for beta is equals to minus 1 in equation 1 above. Right, substitute is equation 1 above. So substitute for beta as equals to minus 1 there. So this is it. Then I can write that equation 1 in positive form. Right, since I'm looking for alpha, I can write it as alpha, making alpha the formula here. This is alpha. When we take alpha to the other side, it becomes positive. Then I can write it as 5b, then plus 8. So by substitution, so this will give me 5 into b is minus 1 plus 8. So this is minus 5 plus 8, which is equals to 3. So with this, my answer is to the question b equals to alpha is equals to 3 and beta is equals to minus 1. So you just write it. And if you check, so we are solving, have the scheme with me, the perception scheme with me. Then we go to the scheme. You see that the first question there we have minus 2.5, 5. Then the second question, which is 1b, alpha is 3 and beta is minus 1, which is right, and that's the answer. We say thank you for staying to the end. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow Author's Guide Math class for more step-by-step solution. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next class. Thank you.